How to verify your identity in Google AdSense. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your identity on Google AdSense. Now first things first, in order to verify your identity on Google AdSense, what you can do is you can head over to your browser and you can type in Google AdSense simply. So I'll just type in Google AdSense and tap on go. You'll get the very first link that says Google AdSense. You want to tap on it. Now here you'll see you to sign up. You can either sign up or you can sign in. So here you can tap on sign in, and once you have your account, if you already have an AdSense account, you can sign in. If you don't have one, you can tap on sign up and you can tap on your particular account. Now here you can see first you'll have to go through and you'll have to add about your info. So you'll have to add in your personal details and other such information. Once you do so, you'll find the hamburger icon at the top left. You want to tap on it, and under it you want to head into payments, and under payments you can see if you head into verification check, it'll say you here if you are verified or not. You can see first you'll have to verify your identity. You may need to confirm your personal details to get your account ready to receive payments. So once you tap on hamburger icon, under payments you want to head into payment info. Under payment info here, now let it load up. You'll get the option to verify your identity. So to do so, you'll have to go ahead and first add in the personal details as I said before, and you'll have to get your document ready, that is either the driver's license, national identity card or passport. Once you have it, you can go through the verification. I'll make a different video on how you can go through that verification on detail, but this is how you can go ahead and verify your identity on AdSense. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.